This segment is sponsored by Davis & Green.
Since 1984, Davis & Green has provided electrical, heating and cooling and plumbing services throughout the area. And now there's a program that can reward you for making a replacement. Jennifer Robinson, the Director of Customer Experience, is here with more on Cash for Clunkers. Welcome to Virginia this morning.
Good morning. Thank you. I'm excited to be here.
So talk to us about Cash for Clunkers. What is that program?
So it's a really exciting program. We started it last fall. It went really, really well. So we thought, let's go ahead and do it again this spring. And essentially, in these down times where it's a little bit more mild, even though we had snow last night, which was kind of crazy, we are offering the lowest possible pricing on HVAC replacements, hot water heater replacements, and generators. So we are giving you cash back off of your invoice in order to trade in your systems now before summer hits.
You mentioned those systems. Remind us what they are again, in case somebody out there maybe has something that is turning into a clunker in their home. What are those systems?
So HVAC, the indoor and outdoor unit, you can get up to $500 each. So if you are a family that has a larger home and you have 2 or 3 HVAC systems, you could get up to $1,000 per system back off of your invoice to swap those out. And then also your water heater. Your water heater is pretty important in your family, especially if you have kids. And so we wanted to make replacements of those very easy and affordable as well. And then lastly, if you have a home standby generator, we would be delighted to give you a credit back on those right now as well.
So why should someone consider replacing now instead of waiting until maybe it breaks? They might say, oh, I think there might be a little more life left into it. But why is that maybe not always what you want to do?
So in the summer, all of the service companies in Richmond, including Davis & Green, are super busy, right? So everybody is waits to the last minute, and then they don't do their maintenance, and then you have 1,000 people trying to get a new HVAC system all at the same time. But if you've already experienced issues with your HVAC system, if you've already had to put some money into repairing it, and you're getting to that 10 to 15 year mark on your systems, we really recommend proactively replacing it. That way, once summer hits, you are good to go. You're not going to have to worry about adding Freon to your unit, or is there a leak, or do I need to, is it going to take me 10 days because everybody else wants to replace it right now too. So it's all about being proactive instead of reactive.
And you talk a lot about Davis & Green talking about getting your whole home handled. How does Cash for Clunkers fit into that entire mission?
So when we started looking at the program, initially we just thought, oh, HVAC. And then we're like, no, Davis & Green wants to take care of customers' whole home. We want to help you with your electrical, your plumbing, your heating and air, and a generator if you need one. And so this fits seamlessly into it because all 4 of our service lines play a role in this program and will make your life so much easier. And we want to take the burden off of you to be able to make sure that your home runs seamlessly.
And I know out there someone, the light bulb went off and they're saying, this is the program for me. If somebody watching today is interested in taking advantage of Cash for Clunkers, how do they get started?
So a couple of different ways. You can give us a call at 804-231-9684. There's a QR code that's gone up. You can click that QR code and it takes you directly to our Book Now page on our website, or you can check us out at www.dgelectrical.com. And at the very top, there's a Book Now button as well.
Jennifer, this is such great information, and like you said, let's be proactive instead of reactive. Sometimes it will take away a lot of that stress down the road.
Stress, for sure.
Thank you for being here on Virginia this morning. Appreciate your time today. Davis & Green is located at 132 Brandon Road in Richmond. For more information, you can call them at 804-231-9684. You can also check out Cash for Clunkers online. That's dgelectrical.com/cash-for-clunkers. The program is happening now through the end of April.
Electrical, plumbing, heating.